Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Santander Current Account. In this tutorial we will walk you through the process of opening and managing a Santander current account. Firstly, let's start with the basics. A current account is a type of bank account that allows you to manage your daily finances, receive your salary, pay bills and make purchases. Santander is a well-established bank that offers a range of current accounts to suit different needs and lifestyles. To open a Santander current account, you will need to provide some personal and financial information. This includes your name, address, date of birth and employment details. You will also need to provide proof of identity and address, such as a passport or utility bill. Once you have opened your account, you will be given a debit card and a sort code and account number. You can use your debit card to make purchases online, in store or at an ATM. You can also set up direct debits and standing orders to pay bills and transfer money to other accounts. Santander offers a range of current accounts, including the everyday current account, the premium current account and the student current account. Each account has its own features and benefits, such as cashback, discounts and travel insurance. To manage your account, you can use online banking or the mobile banking app. These services allow you to check your balance, view transactions and transfer money to other accounts. You can also set up account alerts to notify you when a payment is made or when your balance falls below a certain amount. It's also important to note that Santander offers a range of security features to protect your account, including two-factor authentication and encryption. This means that your account is protected by multiple layers of security, making it difficult for unauthorized users to access your account. In conclusion, opening and managing a Santander current account is a straightforward process. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and benefits, you can manage your daily finances with ease and confidence. Remember to always keep your account details safe and secure, and to monitor your account regularly to avoid any potential issues.